Hey middle school history, welcome to week 2 of remote learning. So April 6th through the 10th, here's what we're going to be covering this week. This checklist is also going to be attached in Summit, so you'll be able to get on there and find this information as well. First on the list, we will meet on Tuesday and Thursday of this week. However, the times have shifted slightly. So our class will meet from 1:15 to 1:45 this week. That's to hopefully give you more time between your science class and your history class so that you can actually work on your assignments and make sure that you get those completed, or jump into open office hours and get help or work on your power focus areas. So again, we're going to meet from 1:15 to 1:45 this week. Dawn emailed out new Zoom updates with that updated time, so make sure that you double check your Gmail and your calendar. The link is also attached in Summit right here in this chart, and so you can pull that up that way as well. If you have to miss class or you have issues with your technology, I will continue to take notes and send emails following each class with highlights or updates of what we do. The YouTube video is also available, so you can watch this to see what we're covering during the week. This week, we're going to start with checkpoint 4, which is a comparison chart. So if you remember last week, we chose 2 checkpoints from checkpoint 1, 2, or 3, looking at either the Aztec, the Inca, or the Maya. And so this week, you're going to take the 2 cultures that you chose to research, and you're going to fill out a comparison chart of those. So how are they similar? How are they different in the way that they adapted to the environment? And so that's what we're going to do on Tuesday of this week, is fill out that comparison chart. Then on Thursday, you guys are going to be looking at current environmental issues. So you're going to choose one topic from an environmental issue that you want to research more in depth and look at how it affects us. How does it affect your individual life? And so in checkpoint 5, there are 2 activities that we're going to complete. The first one is a task card that walks you through the process of brainstorming those environmental issues. And then the second one is one that's going to help you to actually choose or narrow down to a specific topic. So that's what we'll work on Thursday. And then you guys will be able to start researching your topic and finding the information. And so again, that's all in checkpoint 5 of the project. And so I'll show you where those things are right now. So if we click into our Mesoamerica and the Environment Project, again, we completed 1, 2, and 3. You picked 2 of those checkpoints to complete. And so on Tuesday, we'll look at this cultural comparison chart. If you click into that, right here, it says Comparing Mesoamerica. You're going to complete this document. When it opens up, it asks you to copy and paste your information from the checkpoints in here, and then to copy and paste information about the Aztecs, the Inca, or the Maya. Again, you're picking 2 groups. You do not have to complete all 3. Okay, so you're going to do a comparison of those. You're going to copy and paste that information directly into checkpoint 4. Then on Thursday, we'll look at checkpoint 5, and in here, as a whole group, we'll go over this introduction to the project and what you'll be looking at, and then we'll look at the task card and picking your environmental issue. So that'll probably take all of Thursday. Next week, we'll start on the actual environmental research, where you guys will be finding information on your topics, and that will be to fill out these last 2 final products. You'll be doing the research and typing that out, and then you're also going to put together an informational poster or an infographic on your topic. So hopefully that all makes sense. If you guys are looking for the checklist for the week, make sure again that you check this description. So right here, it'll say week 2, and it'll have the new information for the week. You might have to click that read more to be able to see the whole list. So if you have questions, feel free to give me a call, or you can send me an email, and I would be more than happy to help you guys out. I hope that you have a wonderful week. And again, if you need anything, let me know. Thanks.